Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will tell you how to install WAMP server on Windows operating system. So open your browser and in the browser type wampserver.com/en for English. So we have the WAMP server main page. In here click on the download, and in the download depending on your operating system, you can either select WAMP server 64 bits or WAMP server 32 bits. I will select 64 bits because I am using 64 bits Windows operating system. Now here is a form that you need to fill, but if you want to skip, you can go to the option, you can download it directly. Click on this option and it will start downloading from the sourceforge.net website automatically. Your download will start shortly. Now here it is. I will download it into my downloads folder. It takes some time, so wait for it. On my machine it will take about 20 minutes, so wait for the download. So here it is, the WAMP server is downloaded. Once it is downloaded, we need to run the setup file to install it. Double click on the WAMP server setup file. Click on yes. Select the language. We select English. Accept the agreement. Click on next. I will not install it on C drive because I already have an installed version on the C drive. So I will install it on D drive. Here's the folder where you will install the WAMP server. So I will install it on D:\WAMP64. And these are the different options that you need to select. I will just leave the default options and click on the next. Would you like to continue? Yes. Click on install. So the installation has been started. The files are extracted in D drive WAMP 64 folder. It takes some time to install these files. So here we are. It is asking about the browser. Edge will be used as browser by WAMP server. Do you want to change another browser installed on your system? If you want to use Edge as your browser, you can select no. And if you want to change the browser, you can select yes. So since I like Google Chrome, so I will use the Google Chrome. I will say yes because I want to change the browser. Now here it is asking for the browser. So I will go to the C:\program files, Google, sorry. I'll go to the C drive, program files, Google, then Chrome, and then application, and select chrome.exe. Do you want to use notepad exe will be used as text editor by WAMP server. Do you want to choose another editor? No, I don't want another editor. I will use the notepad. It is setting up the options. When please read the following important, you need to continue the setup. So I will just click on the continue and finish. So here we have successfully installed the WAMP server on our machine. Uh, we can test our WAMP server by going to the start menu, and then we have the WAMP server 64 option in our programs here. If I select it, it will ask for me verified publisher is this one, file origin is this, and if you do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, I will select yes. It will make some installations. And we have WAMP server installed on our system. When WAMP server is installed successfully, we will see an icon in the taskbar here, the WAMP icon. If we click it, we have all these options over here. We have localhost, we have phpMyAdmin, and other options. To see if it is working, we will click on the localhost. So here it is. We have it means we have successfully installed the WAMP server on our Windows operating system. We can click on PHP info to see different system options, like we have PHP version 8.0.26, and similarly we can have different options like PHP admin. Here is the PHP admin. It is asking for the username and password. So let me give the username. The default username is root with no password. So here we have these databases on our WAMP server. So we have successfully installed WAMP server on our Windows machine. In the next video, I will tell you how to create a database on the WAMP server, how to create users of the database, and how to assign privileges to the users. So stay connected. Thanks for watching.